Hi. Now, in our last session, we spoke about the moral contradiction about minimum wage. And this segment, what I'm going to do is spend some time emphasizing or underscoring the need for sense, perspective, and skill whenever we talk about the subject of minimum wage. And let me explain to you why this is so important. It's important because if you examine the whole debate about minimum wage, you will find that 99.9% of the time, most of the discussions and material and positions taken originate from the spectrum of the argument. And one of the failings common to taking any extreme position along a spectrum of a debate is that you are right and wrong. So if you look at the proponents of, let's say, the minimum wage theory, you will find that basically they will tell you that everything is fine about minimum wage, that no economic studies so far conducted to date has proven conclusively that the idea of minimum wage has been responsible for unemployment or hyperinflation. And I can assure you that that idea is wrong. It is wrong, okay? That there are many penalties associated with the minimum wage theory. And the same holds true for detractors of the minimum wage theory. They will tell you that the idea is a form of Sovietization, because not only does it narrow the opportunity for employment, but what it does is it basically acts as a solvent against the whole idea of the free market economy. Because when you introduce the idea of minimum wage, what you actually do is you are interfering with the laws of supply and demand. And once again, they are wrong as well. So we both know that for any argument, there must be what you call a collision of purposes, what the Germans refer to as Aufeinseisen-Inflation, the idea that two arguments can collide together in order to create an alternate space. And it is this alternate space that that is very important, that I feel there is a need to spend some time staking a ground on this alternate space, because this is the skeleton key that will allow us to make sense of the minimum wage argument. And I can assure you, without this linchpin, without this lighthouse of a mental peg in your head, you will be swept away. Because